All right, this is page 7, problem 38, which is a sister to same page problem 37 assigned in homework set 1. Both 37 and 38 involve the midpoint formula. So let's just take a moment without doing the full-blown proof of the formula. Let's at least talk about where it comes from. It starts very much like the distance formula with 2 points, P1 and P2, coordinates x1, y1, and coordinates x2, y2. Only in this case, rather than being interested in the distance between these 2 points, what we're interested in is the midpoint. Let's call it M. Let's give it coordinates x, y. So it is the point midway between. This distance is the same as this distance. So the proof, without doing the proof, involves setting up these two little triangles and showing through the properties of parallel lines and transversals that these two are congruent, so that this length is the same as this length, these two vertical legs are the same, and through that relationship you can kind of quickly show that the coordinate, the x-coordinate of the midpoint is just the average of the x-coordinates of the endpoints, and likewise the y-coordinate of the midpoint is just the average, the sum divided by 2, of the two y-coordinates of the two endpoints P1 and P2. That's the midpoint formula. And problem 38 doesn't ask too much. It says, well, let's let P1 be the explicit point -2, 0, and let's let P2 be the explicit point 2, 4, and let's find then the coordinates of M. And it's a simple task because the x-coordinate of the midpoint is just the average of the x-coordinates of P1 and P2. It's this coordinate plus this coordinate divided by 2. This is not a great example because the 2 and the -2 cancel, makes it look like you're subtracting, but you're not. In fact, I'll do that explicitly and show that what you're doing is adding this coordinate to this coordinate. All right. Likewise, I'm adding the y-coordinate to the y-coordinate, and I'm dividing by 2. That's the average, yeah? So if I just work that out, we've got 2 plus -2 is 0 divided by 2 is 0. We've got 4 plus 0 is 4 divided by 2 is 2. And there's the solution.